You want to make your Kajabi website stand out? In this video, you're going to discover 7 simple hacks to create a beautiful on-brand site, whether you're starting from scratch or improving an existing one. But before we dive into the details, I want to share something special with you. If you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get them at no cost. And the best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below. Now, let's dive in. So when you log into Kajabi and click on the website section in the left menu, you'll see options to create a full website or single landing pages. Now, the website is like your main hub. It includes important pages like your home page, about page, blog, and contact page. All of these pages are connected through a navigation bar, so visitors can easily move around your site. In contrast, landing pages are meant for one specific purpose. They're designed to get people to take a single action, like signing up for a free download or joining your email list. For online businesses today, the line between a website and a landing page is getting blurry. Most of your conversions will probably come from well-designed landing pages instead of a full website, but it's important to know the difference because each has its own purpose. A full website helps build your brand and it gives people all of the information that they need about your business. On the other hand, a landing page is simple and it focuses on getting people to take one specific action. In my experience, building a 6-figure business with Kajabi, having a strong website does more than just look good. Even if your main goal is to collect leads, a solid website builds your credibility. It makes people trust you more, which can make a big difference in the long run. First off, so let's talk about the difference between a website and a landing page in Kajabi. So a website is a group of pages that work together to share your brand's story. It shows off your work and it gives detailed information about what you offer. It's built to be easy to navigate so visitors can click around and explore different sections. For example, your website might have an about page where you can share your story. It could also have a blog full of valuable content and a contact page so that people can reach out to you. Conversely, a landing page has one main job. It's designed to guide visitors toward a single action. Now, this could be signing up for a webinar, downloading an ebook, or buying a course. The design is simple and free of distractions so that visitors can stay focused on the goal. This clear focus is why so many marketers use landing pages to boost conversions. Even if you already have a full website, landing pages are often the best way to get leads or sales. Kajabi makes it easy to create these pages with pre-designed templates. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the tips. So the first tip for creating an amazing website in Kajabi is to use fixed background images. Now this means setting an image in the background of your page that stays in place while the visitors scroll. The content moves over it and the background doesn't budge. Now this effect, also called a parallax scrolling, gives your site a polished and high-end look. For example, imagine you're creating a landing page for a luxury coaching program. You could use a high-quality image of a calm office space or a peaceful nature scene. Setting this image to fixed can make your page look polished and professional. It adds depth to the design and it gives your site an expensive, elegant feel. However, don't go overboard with animated elements. Fixed images work well, but adding too many effects or transitions might confuse your visitors. So keep it clean and focused so your page stays appealing and easy to navigate. Furthermore, the second tip is about keeping your website looking consistent by using images that match in style. So when your site has random images that don't go well together, it can feel messy and unprofessional. So to avoid this, stick with photos that share similar tones, colors, or filters. For example, if you're a lifestyle coach who wants a modern and calming vibe, go for images with soft, muted colors and a clean, consistent look. Now, this helps pull everything together and it makes your site feel polished. I like using images from pixels.com or Unsplash. Now, these sites have high quality quality, royalty-free photos that are perfect for any project. So when picking photos, think about your brand's overall vibe. If your brand uses warm and inviting colors, make sure that every photo fits that feeling. You can even stick to using the same photographer or add the same filters to all of your photos. Now, this keeps everything looking consistent and professional. It also helps build a strong brand identity, making your website more appealing to clients. Next, let's talk about the third hack, improving your call to action or your CTA. CTA buttons are super important because they show visitors what to do next. Whether it's signing up for a free trial, joining a webinar, or buying your course, these buttons guide them in the right direction. So to take your CTA's pop, it's important to keep all of your buttons the same color and style. For example, if you go with a bright yellow, make sure that every CTA uses that exact shade. This consistency makes it easy for visitors to spot the buttons and creates a smooth, user-friendly experience. Moreover, your CTA buttons should be clear and get straight to the point. Phrases like "get started now" or "join today" work well because they're simple and tell people exactly what to do. Additionally, if your CTA button is meant to take users to a specific part of your page, make sure it goes directly there. For example, a button on your home page can take visitors right to the pricing section so they can find the details that they need without having to scroll too much. The right mix of consistent colors, clear messages, and smooth navigation makes your CTAs work better and helps improve your conversion rate. The fourth hack is about using your brand colors on your Kajabi website. So when you set up your Kajabi account, you can choose your brand's color palette in the settings. Adding your primary, secondary, and accent colors makes sure that everything on your site, like headings, button backgrounds, and links, matches your brand style. For example, if your main color is navy blue, use that color consistently across your site. Now, this helps build your brand identity and it gives your website a polished, professional look that visitors will trust. Having your brand colors set in your site settings makes things a lot easier when you're working on new pages. You don't have to adjust each element one by one. Kajabi automatically uses your chosen colors for you. Now this way, everything stays consistent. Your entire site will have the same look and feel, making it look professional and put together. Moving on to the fifth tip is adding custom fonts to your website. Kajabi has a good range of standard fonts, but using a custom font can give your site a unique look that matches your brand. For example, if you have a font that feels modern, elegant, or fun, and it fits your brand perfectly, you can make it a part of your website. Although Kajabi doesn't include every font in its library, you can still upload your custom font and use it in your site's design. Now, this change can make a big difference in how your website stands out. This process might feel overwhelming at first, but Kajabi makes it easier with plenty of resources and support. If your brand's style fits a trendy handwritten font, you can find one on a site like Creative Market. Download it, add it to your website settings, and once it's uploaded, your custom font will show up across all headings and text elements. Now, this gives your site a unique and memorable look. It's a great way to stand out from the competition and to make sure that your online presence matches your brand's personality. The sixth tip is to improve your website's SEO and make it easier to share on social media. A great looking website works best when your audience can actually find it. Now, that's where SEO helps. Kajabi lets you add SEO details to every page on your site. You can include custom titles, descriptions, and keywords to help your site rank better in search results. For example, if you're a coach offering courses on personal development, use phrases that your clients might search for, like personal transformation coaching or life-changing development course. Now, this can bring more people to your site and grow your audience. Additionally, Kajabi lets you control how your pages look when shared on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You can pick a specific image, write a short description, and add a catchy title to go with your shared link. Now, this makes your content stand out more on social media and it keeps your brand messages looking polished and professional everywhere it's seen. Finally, the seventh and most important tip is to keep your website design simple and clean. A common mistake that I see with new creators is trying to put too much on one page. It might feel like adding more details will help, but a cluttered website can actually confuse visitors and take away from your main message. For example, it's better to focus on one clear idea for each page. Your sales or landing page should have one main call to action. This could guide people to sign up for a course or join your email list. Keeping it simple makes it easier for visitors to know exactly what to do next. Simplification means taking out anything that doesn't add to your main message. When looking at your website, make sure that each part helps you reach your goal. If something feels off or pulls attention away, it's better to remove it. A clean and simple design not only looks better, but it also helps visitors focus on the important stuff. Think of it like shaping a piece of art. Every extra detail that isn't needed takes away from the overall result. So when your website is simple and easy to navigate, it creates a better experience for visitors and it makes it easier for them to take action. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. And as promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means that you're going to get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all of the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I am going to earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. Now, this is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We're going to cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, these templates are worth over $900, but you're going to get them for free. The best part is that you'll get instant access to the course and templates when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. Now, if you want to know more, just let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.